We are now joined, though, by defense attorney Rachel Fiset for more insight on today's major announcement. Rachel, thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate it. We want to just jump right into this whole thing. What was your initial reaction to those charges that you just heard and also the arrests?
These are levied charges. This investigation has been going on since his death, and it looks thorough, and it looks like the police, along with the U.S. Attorney's Office, have uncovered a very large ring of ketamine suppliers, including who they are calling ketamine queen, which is Sangha. So what they are trying to do is really get this drug off the street and taking his death incredibly seriously.
You know, we have actually seen this in the past. When you think of rapper Mac Miller's death, his supplier was sentenced to 17 years for supplying the deadly drugs. Do you think that we'll see more cases where suppliers and dealers are held accountable?
I do. There is a lot of resources that both the local government and the federal government put into this investigation, and it looks like they continue to chip away at finding those responsible for it. They also are attributing one of someone else's deaths to one of the defendants. So they are also attributing a 2019 ketamine death to one of these defendants. And I think that will just lead to more and more. It's a little bit like peeling an onion here.
So you might have several things happen in general over the next, who knows, couple of months. When do you think this trial will actually begin, and what's next?
Well, 3 of the 5 defendants have pled or signaled that they are going to plea. So Perry's assistant has already pled, and 2 others have also pled, already pled guilty, and they are assisting with the investigation. So the 2 that were arrested today, the ketamine queen and the doctor responsible, they are likely to plead guilty given the information that has already come out as it relates to them supplying Perry with the drugs that killed him. This has been a thorough investigation, and I think the prosecutors really have what they need in order to at least get a plea out of the remaining defendants.
Rachel Fiset, thank you so much for your breakdown on all of that, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you again soon. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.